A very good afternoon and Jai Hind everyone. Today I am going to discuss about terms of credit. Very important topic it is. So first of all I will tell you the money which is given by a bank as a loan is known as credit. So terms of credit today the topic which we will discuss every loan agreement whenever we are taking any loan. So before taking a loan we have to sign some agreement, and in that agreement interest rate which the borrower must pay to the lender along with the repayment of the principal amount is mentioned. Borrower is the person who is borrowing money and lender is the person who is giving money. So here I am talking about bank who is doing the function of lending. So every loan has certain agreement, certain terms and condition which is specified in a document, and the terms and condition is related to interest rate which the borrower they have to pay along with the payment of principal amount. Suppose a person has borrowed 5 lakh rupees, so this is a principal amount and the interest on this principal amount have to be paid by the borrower. So the borrower has to offer some security when he took loan. So against the loan, borrower they put certain things as a security, and these securities they are known as collateral security. So collateral is an asset that borrower they have, that the borrower they owns, such as collateral security like for example land and property, vehicle, livestock, crops, bank deposits, etc. These are used as a guarantee to a lender, means the person who is giving money he is a lender. So these things can be used as a guarantee to a lender until the loan is repaid with the principal amount and the interest. If borrower fails to repay the loan, the lender they has a right to sell all these collateral assets to obtain the payment. Suppose if I am a borrower and if I took a loan and I keep my house as a collateral security. So if I am not able to repay the loan, then bank has a right to sell this um, to sell this property and to cover up the loan amount. So property such as land, deposits with bank, livestock, they are some common examples of collateral which is used by borrowers for borrowing purpose. Now one case study is given in your NCERT book. The case study of Megha is given. Megha has taken a loan of rupees 5 lakh from the bank to purchase a house. Means Megha wants to purchase a house. For this she took a loan of 5 lakh rupees, and the annual interest on this loan was 12%, and the loan is to be repaid in 10 years. Means this 5 lakhs Megha has to pay in 10 years in monthly installment. Now Megha had to submit to the bank some documents showing her employment records, salary. Before the bank they agreed to give her a loan. So before bank agreed for a loan, Megha have to show their documents like their employment papers and all their salary, and the bank retained as a collateral the papers of the new house. So the papers of the new house is kept by the bank as a collateral security, which will be returned to Megha only when she repay the entire loan amount, that is 5 lakh rupees, with the interest of 12% per annum. So you can say that interest rate, collateral and documentation, all these things they compile together, like mode of repayment, what should be the mode of repayment of loan, all these things they comprise terms of credit. Means in terms of credit interest rate is mentioned, collateral is mentioned, what is the collateral security which is kept by borrower against the loan, and the documentation which is required like the salary papers and all, what will be the mode of payment, how the borrower will pay the loan. All these things constitute terms of credit. These are the conditions of credit. The terms of credit they vary from one credit situation or one credit arrangement to another, and they may also vary depending upon the nature of the lender and the borrower. Sometimes the nature of the lender is formal, informal. Like if we are borrowing from money lenders, they may charge high rate of interest. If we are borrowing from bank, so bank charge low rate of interest. So it depends upon lender's nature and it depends upon borrower's nature also. In the next section, it will provide some examples of the varying terms of condition in different credit arrangement that we will discuss with case study in our next class. So today I have explained a very simple meaning of terms of credit. Whenever a borrower they took a loan from any financial institution or a bank, they have to repay it, because borrowing is not owner's own fund. It is a money which I have borrowed for a certain period of time, and after borrowing I have to repay also, return it also with an interest amount. And whenever we took loan, we have to put certain conditions like interest rate, collateral security, documentation which is required, our salary paper and all these constitute the terms of credit. And for taking a loan, borrower they also required collateral security, and collateral security they are used by the lender if the borrower fails to return the money of loan or to return the credit on time. So this is all for today. If you have any problem, any confusion, you can please ask on my personal window. Keep learning. We will meet in our next class. Thank you and Jai Hind everyone.